Wow, is that a cucumber?
Cucumber? That's a zucchini! But it's no ordinary zucchini, it's a GMO zucchini.
GMO zucchini? What's that?
It's genetically modified organism. Let me tell you the advantages of GMO. GMO plants are virus resistant, hence lesser crops will be infected. This increases the productivity of zucchini, thus the demand for zucchini can be met.
So, how is a GMO fruit made?
Go away! Yo, I'm Mr. Nicholas Zhao's student. I'll tell you this fact.
The transgene is inserted into the Ti plasmid. The Ti plasmid is inserted into agrobacterium using electroporation. The agrobacterium is inoculated to the plant. It is then attached to the cell wall of the plant. Only the transgene will travel towards the nucleus and inserted randomly into the plant's genome. When the virus enters the plant, it instructs the plant to produce copies of the virus's RNA and code protein. The virus's RNA is transcribed by RNA polymerase to form mRNA. The transgene forms dsRNA in the cell, which is cut into pieces of 21 BP in length by the dicer enzyme. This generates siRNA, which binds to the RISC. The RISC binds to its complementary sequence in the virus's RNA, and the slicer enzyme cuts or slices the mRNA, and the product is degraded.
Many people feel that experimenting with the genes of organisms violates the intrinsic values of natural organisms. By tampering with nature, by mixing genes among species, people naturally feel that they are eating frankenfruits when consuming GMO products. Naturally, people would rather consume natural and non-modified food. Hence, this gives rise to the objections to the production and consumption of animal genes in plants and vice versa.
Firstly, most of the world's farmers are poor. They cannot afford the fees charged for patented seeds. Secondly, GMOs may be a risk to human health by causing a host of complications, including allergies, viruses, some cancers, and respiratory reactions. Next, we fear that by cross-pollinating with wild varieties, GMOs could dominate and wipe out essential diversity within species. Let me give you an example. In an article, it mentions that lab rats that have been exposed to genetically modified potatoes will have abnormal young sperm. So, a handful of scientific data shows that animals that eat GM crops have had serious health problems.